What if I told you, you don't need a laptop to make money with AI? No setup, no expensive tools, just a phone. So I decided to test it. I tried making money using only my phone for one full day. And the result honestly surprised me. Let's find out what actually happened. When most people think about making money online, they imagine a laptop, multiple tools, and a complicated setup. But I wanted to see if that's really necessary. So I gave myself a simple challenge. No laptop, no advanced setup, just my phone and free AI tools. Step 1. Choosing the method. The first thing I needed was a method that works on mobile. I chose AI content creation. Why? Because it's simple, fast, and doesn't require heavy tools. Things like writing captions, short posts, and basic content can all be done from a phone. Take a moment here. The goal is not to do everything. The goal is to do one thing that works. Step 2. Setting up on phone. Next, I used my phone to access AI tools. I generated sample content like short captions and small blog-style posts. Then I edited them directly on my phone. It wasn't perfect, but it was fast, and that's what matters. Step 3. Creating a simple offer. Now I needed to turn this into something I can sell. So I created a very simple offer. I will create AI-generated content for your social media. No website, no complicated setup, just a clear service. Simple always works better. Step 4. Taking action. Now came the real test. I started reaching out to people. Small businesses, pages, and anyone who might need content. At first, nothing happened. No replies. No results. And honestly, this is where most people give up. Take a moment here, because this part is important. If you quit here, nothing works. Step 5. First response. After some time, I finally got a reply. It wasn't a big deal. Just someone asking for details. But this was a signal. It means something is working. Step 6. The result. So after testing this for a full day, did I actually make money? Yes. Not a huge amount, but I did manage to earn a small payment using only my phone. And that proves something very important. You don't need perfect tools to start. What I learned. Here's what this experiment taught me. You don't need a laptop to start. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need perfect skills. What you need is action. And consistency. What you should do. If you want to try this yourself, pick one simple method. Use AI tools on your phone. Create a simple offer. Take action every day. That's it. No overthinking. Final thoughts. Making money with AI is not about tools. It's about how you use them. Even with just a phone, you can start. And once you start, everything becomes easier. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more real AI experiments and online income strategies. See you in the next video.